Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Gather the AirTag, your iPhone signed into your Apple ID, and a small tool. You will disable the sound, not break tracking. First, open the Find My app and select the AirTag. Once selected, choose Remove Item and follow prompts to unpair. This prevents automated beeps during physical work. Make sure to toggle off Find My on the device temporarily, because an active association can interfere with the next physical steps. Keep parts organized for reassembly. Once the AirTag is unpaired, you open it. Press the steel cover and twist counterclockwise, then lift off. You'll see the CR2032 battery and a tiny speaker assembly. Remove the battery to prevent accidental sounds, then identify the speaker contacts, 2 small pads or solder points. To stop sound permanently, either lift the speaker gently out or place a small piece of non-conductive tape over the contact pads to interrupt the circuit. Make sure to avoid sharp tools that could damage other components. Finish by reassembling. Replace the battery, align the cover and twist clockwise until it locks. Once done, repair the AirTag and Find My if you want silent tracking. If it still chirps, reopen and double-check that the speaker contacts are insulated or the speaker removed. Make sure tape covers both contact pads. If repairing fails, reset the AirTag. Remove and wait 1 minute, then reinsert the battery and press the center until you observe the expected response. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, replace the tape or remove the speaker entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.